Let's get you in, Cornell. Get into this bucket. It's good. If you climb into this bucket... I should lift it in two. In two, I should lift this. Put the bucket down, because you're lifting yourself up. Hey!
Put the bucket down, hey! Go now!
Much better! Don't go up!
Don't go up, I'll beat you. Yes, it's my birthday. Don't go up.
Don't go up. Didn't you see how I got into the bucket yesterday? It doesn't work! Swear on your father's life if you know. Bueno. Hey, no, don't go. I'll go myself. Here, let me carry it.
I'll go get the right oil because this is bad. If it doesn't have the right oil, I think it's because I put in thinner oil. We should have used a thicker oil. That's why it isn't working. Otal, come here. Look at what you've done. You ruined the clutch and everything. Move it a bit further and that's it.
There it went up. Oh!
What you do?
But it smells. Oh. Stop it! It smells!
Mirosa. Mirosa.
You can see there's no pressure. Welcome.
Look, it stalls and runs like a...
I asked JVT, look. JVT says that when he saw the photo we sent him and the oil we put in, he tells me, it's not good for your bulldozer's transmission. Change it as quickly as possible. Otherwise, you'll ruin the gearbox and everything else. It shifts hard, they slip. It damages the clutch, it wears out the gearbox. The pump works badly. What should you do? If you've already put it in, don't use it. Change it as quickly as possible. Put Permatren or equivalent. To 46 only for hydraulic systems, dump trucks. Equipment, not for transmission.
Even an idiot can hear it whining.
Meaning,
But also...
we know, we've done similar work. You worked? You said you were a mechanic, but
Dimas Comete is also a mechanic. Get moving or I'll kick your butt.
You said you were a mechanic.
I'm doing the repairs, man. Hey! Are you wandering around the meadow?
Hey!
Come on, excuse me! Hey, look at this guy. Damn, look at him, man. Leave him alone. Look at her for a bit.
let's do it.
Did you make the coffee?
The coffee? I was busy around here.
Look, is this how you leave the ground?
What?
Is this how you leave the ground?
Leave it there like that.
Tiberio, you tractor driver! Toss them in the way so your father can eat them. Hey, brothers, pay attention to me here and I'll tell you. How many do you still have? A chicken? 2? 3? Which ones do you want? Bring them to the little house.
What's that?
What do you want, man? What do you want?
Yes, look, the ducklings, and they gave them to me. Verniu from Dokea, Petru Mararu.
The ducklings! I would take 2 roosters. That's Cornell. That Cornell over there. And this is Tiberio. Cut from here and call me. Yes! Take the oil down until I get there. Yes, I don't know how. There are more, brothers. Good. That's it. Call Cornell for the one with Tiberiu. Because this one got fur. Good, take the ducks to Vernu. Let's see what else you have. 1 chicken, 2, 3. Ah! Show some charity! Show some charity! Do a good deed! When you come here, you show off. Look at my basket. Look at my chicken, huh? What do you say?
I suddenly craved cabbage with duck meat.
Look at that, so I can plug in the cable. Did you see Cornell? No. And you will see! And you will see if you don't bring chickens to people anymore. You will see, not that you bring. Oops, done. Done, hey! You'll see if you can bring people. No!
No.
What? No! Go see if he took the people too. He took your chicken too. Your team saw me finish with the chickens and the profile during the day. Later, someone called and took some pigeons too.
You ask about the pigeons and doves at this house?
Yes!
And these are young.
I have 4 pigeons but no cages. Where should I put them?
Huh?
Here, look here. On your head? Yes, it stays there on your head. 4 pigeons. One day he took 4 pigeons too. Why? Well, yes. Hey, my dove. I have nowhere to put them, my dove. You'll just get in the way there. That one isn't any good. My dove, hey, wait, let me split this wood. Bring the food so Dad can eat. Don't forget to say thank you. You'll see if I don't make the cornmeal here, too. We need cornmeal. That's why I'm waiting here at home, but the rest is useful, too.
Well, why?
Corn and a goat, yes.
Goat, isn't that you?
I see you're sitting here and you can't.
But what, you can't do anything? You should get a goat. Yes, you will get a goat. You didn't make the coffee? Thank you very much. If I skip my morning coffee with Ornell, I get dizzy and start shivering.
A whole bunch of chills.
You get chills.
When are you making food?
The fire won't light for cooking, nor for me. But isn't there any electrical tape? No! No! There isn't. Should you get tape? The cable slipped. Where is it? Inside here! The tape, Mom! Get the tape! Oh! I'm hitting you! It's electrical tape from the store. The money flies away, yes. That's it, my love. I don't know how it could... This! Yes!
There was one, but he took his beer.
He took it!
Let me get this tub. Let's pour out the oil. All of it. Let's change the oil because I brought the oil. Hey, brother dear. It's a mess. Look here in the back. Because they showed us to come in the back. You have a 22mm wrench. Come here. Here in the back. Look here, Otala. That's it.
You need to take it off here with the 22 wrench.
Or 24. I don't know how much you have the wrenches. Here, I'll find you. Come on, Mr. Mechanic, take the patches so we don't... You'll see, it'll work now. You'll see, it'll work now.
Look, here it is. Take it!
Oil! Oil!
In the back, over there on the side. Should I go in? Did I see that he was satisfied?
There, go.
He took it from the other side. Let me look. Look here and do it like this too.
Like this!
I want it over here.
Give me the cure and the crap.
Use the wrench.
Don't even give me the key.
Use this key, Marini. Don't hand it over like that. Pull the bag and pull it down.
With force!
Put the bag in the slot like this. Got it?
Put it in!
Huh? Are you going?
It's not right. Add another wedge.
Hey.
Yeah, look, it's up there.
Where is it up there? Here in the cavity? And just that one.
Here, take it!
That's it, right?
And that's it!
Didn't you give it?
You didn't give it!
Look, this is the red oil, and this red one isn't good here.
Isn't it good?
It's not good. I'd rather call it hay.
Move, come on!
Huh?
Move, come on!
It's a tricky situation. In these filthy doors? Yeah, right? It's kind of a cleaner, but it's not a cleaner. Ugh.
Move!
Move high, you say?
Hi, you say.
Hi, go over there.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, here I say, who should come in? Ha 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 ha.
Whoa! Hey, Costico, what are you doing?
A little bump!
Man, move, move, move.
Leave it like that. Look! Leave it there.
Yes, hold it there.
Mamnika!
Man, you're dripping, boy. Goodbye. Well, this is good oil, man. I put a lot of oil in it. If it's not good,
If it's not good, huh? Man, I gave you good stuff.
we'll see. You leave it like that. Man, oil is so expensive.
20, 40.
Will 5Q fit for you?
They fit me, man!
You. Come on, enough is enough. Do you know you're on all fours?
Come on, take it. I mean, get ready to take it.
You'll see how nicely it goes from there.
Really?
Come see it with this new oil.
Yeah, let's go.
Ah, it's not good. Go ahead, touch it, see how it is. Do you feel how thin it is?
It's thin.
It's thin.
No.
Oh, I thought...
You were servantat.
Servantat?
How do we put our hand in the car?
That's right.
And this lid too, like this, man.
That's the problem. Look, it has... Look, a lot. Look, wow, it's here. I love it. That's how you put it in this oil.
Let's put the lens in.
Did you find it?
Yeah, well, man.
Leave it.
But it doesn't fit anymore.
It doesn't fit anymore.
Should I leave more?
Hey, it's more than 400 kilo.
Yes.
So, about 60.
What else should we put them in?
Ah, there are more containers over there. Stop it if you can. Ah, stop it and bring the bottles. Mom, but how do we get the whey out? Pour out the whey. Let's not get any dirt in it.
Come on, let's make you that from it and like over there.
Come on, be that here. Are you everything? You are everything here. Here you are. Come do it here.
I don't know where you are, so you all know me here.
Make yourself nah. But how do you make it flow right here?
But I can't, since we have to hang from the ceiling.
Ah, we pour it out of the tub and then put the tub back. We'll do it there.
You run it?
Yes, look, come on.
T.
Are you still here, man?
Look, he's here too.
Hold on, you might break these ropes.
I said.
You're messing with the ropes, not just me.
We have to put it in the canisters, but I need funnels.
The bottle from the center is a bottle. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it.
I have containers. Huh? What is it?
Newt is cleaning for him for Easter.
Oh,
You're making a mess with the pig. Both of you take it and hold it. Don't throw it around. Like that.
easy, easy. Don't mess around, especially if it's leaking badly.
I need to break it here.
It's leaking badly. Look at yourself, Costico.
Costico, where?
Can't you see? But look, move a bit over. Yeah, like that, yeah. Which one? Which one?
That kitten. Hey, not at me, look at them.
Give it!
The other way around, through here?
No, give me a hand, man. If you bring him.
Bring something so you can pour.
Easy, easy.
Easy, easy, easy. Let me do it gently.
Hold him, too. So maybe a position.
We still need more, we still need more.
Oh.
We still need more.
We still need more.
We need it, we need it.
We need it. Ateş.
We still need a handlebar, right?
Yes.
For that one, the gas one.
I mean the gas one.
At Catopreleu, this Cornealte number, it works there too.
Yeah, oil from the other one, the red one, right?
Yes.
Did the lip fit in there, too? Yeah, see, maybe you'll fit.
You fit.
Maybe you can fit it in.
You fit.
You fit.
You fit. You fit like that.
Put my lip like this here on Cornealte.
Like that.
Well, the boys. Thin doors, thin. Wow, did you realize what we did? Come on, Caustic, you'll see how it flows. Do you know how it sprayed me?
Huh?
Man, like the first time. Here. Here. Come on, Caustica, help me. That's it. I think you hit him on the head again. Did I hit him on the head? Yeah, how much does he have? 20.
Yes.
20, 30. There are about 10 Kiyu left. Yes, 10, 15. Key 20 Kiyu, I think there are still some left. Head. This is the one that was his. Is it clean? Huh?
Is the oil clean? Huh?
I'm not sure. Let's open it and check the oil. Didn't people doubt you, Undies? Didn't people doubt that they loved each other?
They don't know about that.
Ah, I think that's it too. Ah, no, it's that one too. That one. Well, you gave him a canister to put it in.
And this is the oil?
Yes. You see how that one is? Well, not that way, not that way. Ah, wow, this one is small and thick, huh?
And put it back in. Ha!
Welcome. Man, you're still bleeding, dude. Well, come on, man.
Look, you're still bleeding.
Damn.
How is it? Yeah, man, look at that one. It's big, look at how that one is.
Well, it looks like it caught it, that one. Yeah, it caught it, that one.
It caught it, that one. All right. Until we get a new one, we'll use this one. No, he's still mixing it, though it's already mixed.
Yeah. You went over it twice with the thick stuff so it wouldn't show.
No. That... Look, it's bleeding and won't stop. Oh, Mom.
Come on, it's almost over, yeah.
It's ending, but I don't think it's enough. Because I don't think there's any here. Is it 40 kilo it is? It is.
It is.
In that canister? Which one?
Here.
Ahí está.
Well, let's see how we put it there. How? Well, how? With the hose.
Yeah, you siphon it, yeah.
With the cleaning hose.
And you siphon it with the hose.
Come on, it's almost over.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
2 buckets like this, full.
That's what makes it a challenge. Washing with oil.
Well, that's what I said. That's what I said earlier. Come on, what's going on? This guy's out of his mind.
You wash each other.
But we cover all of you.
Head to toe. And you wash each other. He washes you and you wash her.
But you know how we do it. We bring it with the bulldozer. We bring it like that. It's big. Here. That's how it is from there, from behind the house.
No, but use the bulldozer and wash yourselves.
And how do I put it back?
You take it with the kazar.
Something like that.
From where?
Where do you get your oil? Are you asking your ex about the bottles? Where does she get hers?
Now she also has oil in the system.
At least it's good. Wait, if she had it, you realize. But we need to see how much there was. That one, 20. I'm sure that one has 20 or maybe more.
I'll use those to get it started.
No,
You should start it for her.
you should start it for her. It's a mechanical thing.
It's 40. I'll give her that and watch you from the door.
40 years.
40 years and you're 30 years old. She.
Wow, calm down. She's tying them for you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look how much oil they have, man. 2 buckets of oil. 2 buckets.
What are you doing? Are you stressed?
Come on, get the hose and let's put this up. Oh, you need thick hoses.
A piece of hose.
Where? With that one, this one? What?
You don't have to worry about the engine. That's it.
What?
Up on this line, huh? Up on this line.
Heidel? Yeah, what do you mean, come on?
Here, they're on me.
Should I wash you? Yes.
I should wash them too, but not me.
Look, you wake up. Huh? Look, you wake up. Does it need to be put over there? Yes. And, well,
Are you holding on tight there?
And you have to put the canister on top.
All right, oil.
No, I see one of them, the other one.
And? On which legs?
Up here.
here, listen.
Don't forget.
But don't forget that.
You have to go higher.
Let me see, is there more?
Put it!
Put it there for a bit. Put it. And how do you get from there to there?
Come on, man. Put the other one on. I trust you.
What? Wait a second.
Get up there.
Come on.
Come on.
Unwrap it here, okay?
You can unwrap it from the edge. Give the envelope. Well, I told you.
Cut some more pieces, huh? Cut some more pieces.
What else should he cut?
He was cutting pieces from the thefts.
Put this one here, man.
I want to open this lock, man.
Hold it here, man. Move it over there quickly. If you do it. Well, man.
Put him outside.
Where outside? Put him here. Hey, man, hold him. Put him in there.
Hold him.
Are you in?
Yes, I'm putting him in.
Well, put him in.
All right, I'm putting him in.
Keep him at a distance. He's there. All the way down there.
Good.
Come on.
Do you learn the cornea of life?
Come on. Stay like that.
Give me the rag like that. Give me the rag. Give me the rag.
Hold him so he doesn't get away.
Let it go and see how it moves. Ah, it's like everyone wants that, man.
Now let's see how it shoots. Here. You should have taken the other part. Aha, it's coming. Go on, keep going, go on. And it's done. It flows on the sickness.
Blow, man. Give it a puff.
Juan.
Where's the puff?
Well, put your hand there and blow on that.
Come on, do it.
To him.
It won't work, man. It's too thick. Pull it properly, man.
Come on, man. Hit him.
So I can see his face better.
Hit him. Just hit him. That's good. Hit him. Hit him, and knock him down.
Hit him. Come on, punch. Come on, punch.
How come he's going back, man? You can't say, man.
This toilet, man.
You can't say anything.
Man, go over there and I'll show you how to do it.
Go, move, wait, move like this.
Move from there, man.
Move to the other side.
Move to the other side.
Move, man.
Move, man.
Move.
Just a second. I got dirty.
It's used. Someone else was in it before. I didn't have a clean one available. But stay there with a hole in your throat.
Give it to her. Come on, look at her.
But you could have put it in Jambic.
Come on, I'll put it in.
I can't do it if you're here. I can't do it if you're here. Can't you go over there?
Why did you put it over there?
Done.
Mom, look, he's caught.
Oh, Dashi, don't pull me out. Oh. But I don't think it's running because it doesn't have any. Hey!
Yes.
No! Is it running? No.
It's running. It's strong. Hey, look, it's running.
There's no way.
Look, yeah. Hey, let's stick a bottle in. Well, yeah, hey. Yeah, not the bottle. We need funnels.
Funnels? Hey, funnels? Look at that.
But you're watching me. Hey. Pour it there, not this hose.
It doesn't work with the hose. It doesn't work. That's what I was saying too. It doesn't work.
Give me the bottle and then let go. Which one?
But it's strong.
No, this one works. Doesn't it work? Is it thick?
It doesn't work with that one because this one is thick.
I had a bottle here. Here. Clean it a bit.
You know, it's something else.
Look how he's pouring it in there.
Pull with the canister. Pull.
Come on, pour it, man. You messed up.
What the hell did you do? What's wrong with you, man?
If I take the pepper to the boss.
So it works, so you don't get scolded.
So you stay quiet.
You messed up.
They want you to mess up.
No. Me neither.
Neither did you. You left me there. So you could stay in there. You farted, my friend.
No, I didn't fart.
Yes, you did fart. Look how it rises.
It smells.
It smells.
Yes, it smells like a fart, but it wasn't me.
Look.
You farted.
Look at that little dick.
I didn't do anything. You can't step on your skirt.
Yes, you stepped in it. Just stay here.
Don't worry, we have bigger problems. Be careful, you'll spill it.
Yes, I can't do it.
Pour it on the side.
That's it. Hold it a bit stretched out.
Bit more.
A bit more forward.
Watch out, it's leaking.
Aha.
Easy.
Until he relieves himself a little.
Hey, oil. This is some good oil. Hold it straight, Caustic, it's flowing. That's it. And we keep going.
Put your hand down.
Because it's not that heavy. Stay here.
Yeah, no, because it wasn't full here.
It wasn't full here. I'm talking about how much the barrel holds. Hold it, man.
Watch out, it's leaking. Dude, you're an ass. You're an ass. But what are you? Hold it well like that. It's like that pointing down.
Watch out, you'll spill it.
Yes. What are you?
I'm a Shuraf roulette. Can I help you in any way?
Or are you gonna lift it from the bottom? Lift it.
Aha! Come on, you're getting it. Come on, go, go, go! Wow, look at him go. Hey, can you do it?
Hold this bottle to help him here. I'll stay.
Come on!
That's it.
Move over a bit because this guy, hey!
Don't hold the bottle like that, Tiberio. Give it to me.
How do I give it? It's spilling down here. Oh.
It's a vacuum.
You're bringing too many.
Push the Tiberio stool to the bottle.
That's it!
Go. Come on, Cornell. Go. Is there more? Oh. The horns are still coming, Tiberio. The bottle is still coming. Enough with its size.
How much was there, Ari? See how much that canister holds. Caritas. Ah,
You can. Don't bring it anymore.
for today, you are Nua. Where do you write how much it holds? You write it on the sheet. Let's fill it with water to see its capacity.
Don't put water in it. It needs to be taken down from there because it's dirty.
Let's use this one.
Look at that. Hey, we have to.
How much?
But I can't reach the bottom.
Huh?
I can't reach.
There.
May you have a clean door.
It's the bag. Everything there weighed around 40 kilo. He has to stay out until it settles.
Yeah, it's settling. It's already settled. The dipstick is...
The dipstick is dry, the dipstick. It's dry, the dipstick.
Start the engine.
Yeah, it's okay like this because you still have 40 even if it's not much. And see if it's because of the oil. Come on, let's put this in. Let's put this in, come on.
That's how we usually add it.
What do you mean? Don't tighten it. You tighten it and you have it. Let's put the oil back in there. Come on, bro, man.
Let's see if it's good.
Man, it needs oil.
How much more do you need? Did you do it well? 20 and something here.
20 and yes.
How much can you defend it? 20 in here, about how much will it take? Come on, yes. 26 products each. Let me see.
Hey, Koshti, you heard it happened.
It happened. Hey, and this one is white. So, get ready. Hey, careful here. It's not like you're carrying lambs. Hey, you'll get a cramp.
You sat with your jacket, each of you.
Don't go because I have to give you a cramp.
And with the wind. See, look how much this filled up. Only half. Was it more? Was it? Or was it about the same?
That one was full. But this one, man.
I also put this one.
Put that one here, too.
It didn't rain at night, but it poured during the day.
He has to leave it.
But Tiberio gave up.
It's heavy and he'll have a hard time leaving it. I want it full. Do I want it full? Yes. That's about how it was, right? About like that?
Yes.
So I had... How many did I say? I see 30.
I saw myself. I see 30 kilos.
And here, how much was it?
30 plus 20?
Man, we had 30 plus 20 of oil there.
Yes, 50.
50.
You need a 20-liter canister.
You need a 20-liter canister.
20 kilos.
20.
Yes, all the oil here was needed.
Yes, all the oil from here was needed. It is.
It is. Yes. But you don't reach that flight.
Well, you don't reach it. It doesn't show that you reach it. That's why you needed the oil.
Well, you still need 20 kilos.
You need 20 kilos of oil.
Start it up a bit, just gently, because you have 40 kilos. Start it up a bit and see if it pulls.
We'll pull it. Put it on. Don't let it overheat. It's wrong.
Look. Where are you? After I take the little one? It's like that after I take the little one. I'll talk to Christy to bring us.
Huh?
I'll talk to Christy to bring us some used oil.
For cooking.
And here there are only canisters, only oils, just oil changes. Huh? Something is leaking from somewhere. Something's leaking, man. Where is it coming from? There. Come on, man. Move a bit so we can see.
Look.
Is Mr. going? Maybe he still has some on the sewers. Give it to him.
But it doesn't matter.
Man, it has nothing to do with this.
Be careful, man. That's just how it is.
That's the servo.
Yeah.
From the gearbox. Here, from here to this, it comes here and you put oil. Here it's just pulls, only the servo.
Wait!
Hey, get into the mud. With the bucket, and you push a little.
Some like that.
Yes? Not even the servo works, right? Leave it like that, man. We'll get 20 more kilos tomorrow and see. If it still doesn't work, I think this servo is broken. This has nothing to do with it. Look, man. You're a good guy. Look at her, Leah.
Right.
I get it. Stop. Leave him, man. The situation is pretty complicated. If it doesn't even have enough oil, it won't work either. You know, it also needed about 20 kilos.
Yeah, man, yeah. I don't know. Is this oil any good?
This oil.
If not, shouldn't this oil be going up?
Yes, but this one has worked so far. So they took it down, changed it, and put this red one on. And then we added another 40 kilos because that one was already open. And now what did you do? Should we get some oil and put some kilos of oil in here?
Because it was.
That's how it was. That's how it was. How much did you pay for this oil?
2 million.
2 million, 20 of them. 2 million. 4 million. 6 million. But wait, maybe this is a different kind of oil. Maybe it's more expensive?
It's expensive.
Yeah?
But you can tell it's like that. It still had the tag on.
What if it's not from the oil?
And we'll get oil for no reason.
But anyway, if we get oil, we have to get oil. I mean, we need oil anyway.
We need oil. Did they get it?
They told us we need 10W. I don't know how much for, look here, UTO 6W30. For the equipment, UTO equipment 10W30.
That it won't work there at all?
Yes?
That it won't work there at all. This hill is ruined. We should do it differently now.
Yes, but isn't it enough?
Because it doesn't have enough oil anymore.
It doesn't have enough anymore? What do we do now? Should I call to order 20 kilograms? Come on, I'll call now. I put it here, yeah, to make a shovel for the grill, but the fire won't start. I don't know what's going on. Oh, Lord, Lord. What?
This shovel.
Yes, that's correct, but I can't use the same one here.
Yes.
I'll use this one.
Why this one? Take those ones. This one doesn't fit me here. Which ones? I already tried them. But you look in this case. It was her, me.
I don't have a shovel to use.
Bring the shovel, since you made it.
I didn't make it. I put it on the fire so it would burn.
Why?
So it would go down. No, man, you're backing off. Let me do it. I'll do it too if needed. If I can't do it anymore. Can you still do it? Yes. Hey, look, it's empty over there. All right, Mom, but the ballast is a bit low. Take it easy because Dad will get mad, you know?
There he is.
Who's rushing you?
Who's rushing?
Rushing started it. He started it.
Leave him. He has work to do. He started it. Leave him. He's going to work on the installation there. Hey.
And then he sticks his tongue out. Hey.
Hey, what the hell is she supposed to be?
She won't bite. She's not little. Hey.
She's actually sticking her tongue out at me.
Mind your own business. I'm not doing anything.
That's what I did, man. I'm gonna tell on you here.
Isn't she hungry? Did I tell you she was?
Listen, she's hungry. She's sticking her tongue out.
He can't be hungry.
Make some food, hey!
Huh?
Well, you haven't made any food at all.
Either she's doing something stupid, this one. Hey.
Huh?
She never sticks her tongue out. I stuck it out at him, and he says I'm doing it at you, you hear? And don't do that over there.
Hey, with those!
Like that.
Yeah, it's good that you're putting it here today, right? Come on! I saw it. Where is he? Where are you staying, as I said?
Move forward. Don't just stay protected there.
You guys are good. Come out. That's it. Just drop the luggage down, and that's it.
So we left quickly.
To the brown wire, to the positive. I see myself exactly as she was dressed.
Of course I know.
I have to undo those on the fuse.
Look, here's a brown one. Here's a blue one, and here's a brown one.
I need to put the blue one here.
The blue one is on the right, but you don't know where it goes. Where it goes. Come on. If it goes into parcels.
The blue one on top.
Put it back in.
And click, click,
Done?
click, click.
Like that.
Good. This is the tough one. We will have another part.
Look, the bulb is here. Bulb. Did you put it outside? Let me see. Look, he put it outside. We have a bulb in the back. We have a bulb in the front. Haha. Did this shovel catch fire or not? Come on, I'm taking it. Easy, easy, I'm taking it. You didn't like it here because I didn't put it? You didn't like how I put it?
What did you put on that hole? Did you have to put the ring farther away? This one didn't fit over the head? No. So you can take it off at home.
Look, look, it has the hole like that, and he puts the ring farther away. Hi, hey, 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 hey.
It takes a while to burn. Be careful. I turned on the power. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I turned it on.
Man, you're crazy.
If I say so.
I'm done with it.
Does it work? No? Did you put in the light bulb?
Yes.
It doesn't work. Hey, go get them, Sharul, huh?
Why did you put that there already?
Let me see what I put there. Huh? Look.
They installed an outlet there.
Let me check. I don't have anything to plug in. Let's see if it works.
Let's see if someone comes to the gazebo if I steal some food.
You put the blanket here. Let me see. Be well.
If Kostika steals food, I put it here. Now you can cook easily. You can leave.
You did it here.
Yes. What if Kostika comes to steal food?
Huh? She doesn't see that. She sees it.
Wait, I need to plug them in. Looks like I didn't plug them in. I plugged them in and set them up, but I'm not sure if they work.
You have to put the cable in, and that one here.
Did I put it in? Here. That's it. Open it. I'll open it.
But there should be little lights there.
It should have something.
Here.
It doesn't work. I think you connected something wrong there.
Really?
It's not working. It isn't working, but I needed to turn on a light bulb. It's not working.
Turn on the light. Turn it on like that. Turn it on.
It's not working. It's not working. I should have known. A little light. It's working. Go.
He won't forget her. If I don't forget her, it won't work.
Don't forget to...
I see how it looks.
How does it look? 4K. How does it look? 4K. Look at that.
Wow, the video. How does it look? Hey, but now you're just filming me like this?
But it doesn't work, hey? Because if Sarah comes in, she's in, and those lovers outside, you'll see. I even put it outside. This is outside.
Here!
Here. You have to see this too.
I see how it looks.
Go outside and see.
This needs to be adjusted a little, like this.
Yes, but this isn't working, and I don't know why. Yeah, to the table. To the table, to the table. You have to show her the little house, yes. Yes, a little further over. You later. Yes, I see you, you're coming.
Yes, you put them in there. You have to see what it looks like that way.
You went with Omuda,
Man.
Amen? Amen. It still needs a little more, but it has to be taken apart. Taken apart and put back again.
Yes!
Take it apart and turn it a little further so it hits. See how it hits?
Here it seems to me that I put it wrong. We could also check the little one properly.
So we're waiting to put in the add-ons. Yes, right away, next week.
Panels are coming.
I've already ordered them.
Remove all items, including those TVPs, and finish.
Get out! Hey, tell Caustic, where's Caustic?
Kostika!
Tell him to bring something to cut this branch here, because it's in the way. It's in the way, can't he see it's crooked? This branch here?
Yes?
Yes, this branch here needs to be cut like this so it doesn't. Or actually, the whole branch, so it can reach. All of it. It's in the way and looks bad, you can see it.
Well, we can put it somewhere else if that's the case.
Huh?
Well, we can put it lower.
Now you can really see it. Now, see, look, now you can see it well, but when it bloomed, when it leafed out, really, you know?
Yes!
You can't see it anymore. And you have to move it a bit more like this, a bit more like this.
See, you just have to do this little trick and move it like that.
I know, I'll move it there.
No, it has a slot there. You have to move it. Like that, like that, like that, like that.
Does it?
Yes, it does. But I think you have to move this a bit the other way. So you can move it like this. Aha, downwards, you know?
I'm learning.
Whoa.
Kaput!
Notification.
What showed up, CapCut? I'm leaving to send a message so you'll see and hear. Here. Alarm. It's the tree sap.
Yes!
Cornelie Mouse. Mom.
Could the other one cause feedback? No.
Cornelie. No, since I was nearby, you know? Look, if I move farther away, see? Help yourself to some food, too. I'll bring you closer. That's probably why it seems close to you. Aha!
Cornelie!
Help yourself to some food, too.
What a beauty. And here? That's what I said, huh?
The bike is set up here. Yes!
And that's what I said from here. Specifically so that Kostica can't steal anymore. Because if someone takes something immediately.
He liked that you put that thing on the pipe to drain the residue.
Yeah, man. But it's also good.
You know, but still, man.
But also just from the mouth. Man, it looks so cool.
No matter how bad the world gets, nothing will stop us.
Let's accomplish everything we've set out to do in life.
With such a community.